Welcome back to 100 Words for 100 Days. How to have our conversation like a native English speaker. So in this case, we keep uploading videos every day with phrases along with some expressions. In this way, today you are going to learn a very simple phrase is fill in. Yep, you are very familiar with this word. In your school day question papers, you have found this word. Fill in the blanks with correct answers. Let's get started. I'm Ithaya. This is a literary test. How to use this word in our regular conversation? This word literally used to express, make sure you fill in the form completely or they may reject your application. But as an expression, this word used as, perhaps if you have a responsibility of contacting a conference in your office, but the day before the conference you have to leave very earlier, for that you are going to approach one of your colleagues to take in charge of conducting the conference. There you can say, can you fill in for me on the conference call? I have to leave early today for a doctor's appointment. In other way, you can use this word to collect the information. For example, fill in me what happened at the party last night. For better understanding, let's watch this video.
Help you?
Captain, I was looking for the Polly Penny's file. Thinking the cases might be related. Thanks.
Fill me in.
Nothing hard yet. But we'll get there.
I was reading through some of the witness statements.
Let me know how far do you have understand this word by leaving your own examples in comment section. I will meet you with the new words in next video. Till then,